All right, so right out of the box, it's gonna come looking like this, folded up right out of the box, but it is super easy to put together. But you can see right away just how nice and sleek this scooter is going to look. Let's go ahead and put it together. You can see that all you have to do is stand this up right like that and click the latch in and press it down and you are good to go. Now here is a closer up look at the latch here. You see this little button, you're gonna press that down and it's gonna pop right off. And from there, you can just bend the entire handlebars down to make for that easy storing, pop it right back up and lock it right back into place. Now here is the accessory kit that you get with the scooter. It has all your screws, which we are going to install and tighten the handlebars in with the Allen wrench. You have your Allen wrenches, you have your bracelet, you have all the stuff that you're gonna need, so let's get started. All right, so from here you'll see I'm gonna take the screws here and you see the two holes at the top of the handlebars. We're going to make sure that we screw the screws in there tightly to make sure the handlebars are nice and secure. You see, you're gonna just take the screw with the Allen wrench and tighten it in there. And you're gonna do that for the two holes in the front and the two holes in the back. All right, so now you want to activate your scooter. We're going to press the power button 3 times, and you're going to have your little card with you, which is going to be able, you're going to find the area where the circle will then turn a solid green. It's blinking right now. You'll see whenever I find the spot, it'll go green right there, right below that little hook, and your scooter is activated. Now we're gonna have the scooter activated. I'm gonna take it up and down the street quick for you, and you'll see me kind of speeding away on the sidewalk. We haven't gotten into the helmet stage yet, but we're gonna go ahead and get that helmet activated here in a little bit. But enjoy this quick overlay of me riding around and just kind of showing you the speed as I come back towards the camera. I'm gonna turn around here and you see that I am now on my way back. And this thing right off the rip is pretty quick. I'm not a particular small guy, but you'll see just how quick I get down the hill. And nice brakes, so let's move on. Okay, so here is the nifty lock that is built into the scooter. And it presets at 0000, but all you want to do to set your own passcode is flip the lever. You'll see here in a second, flip the lever that is above the numbers to the right. Just like this, you're gonna flip it, and then you're gonna set your desired passcode. So for this example, we're just gonna make it 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you can make it whatever you want. We're gonna just make it 1, 2, 3, 4. And that will save your passcode. Once you flip back to the left, perfect. So now once that passcode's good and unlocked, you can place it around wherever you want, put it right into that hole above. Once your passcode's set, I gotta redo my passcode because I messed up the numbers, but that's okay. Unlocked, put it right in there, and you can see now that it's locked. So you can, mess around with your numbers, boom, and now you can place it around any pole or anything like that. And then once you want to unlock it, you see once it's locked, no one can get it out. But then we're gonna go ahead and set our passcode right back to our 1, 2, 3, 4. It takes a little bit of time to get there, but then we can press a button and it unlocks just like that. So really nifty built-in feature of the lock kit with the scooter. So this is one of the better safety features that this comes with. Lock it up and you're good to go. All right, so now let's take a look at the screen here and all the different functions that it does come with. Obviously, we have a power button here, and you can go through, turn it on, do whatever you want to do. You have a myriad of signals, and the user manual is super friendly. You can go through and turn the volume buttons. You can connect a cell phone. to this scooter, all sorts of things. There's different times you can click the power button to do different functions. Again, the cell phone's really nice. You also have right below here, you have like the turn signal, which we'll get to, and all these things are just super cool. There's a lot to take in, so make sure you read your user manual. Again, left turn signal, right turn signal, everything lights up. It looks weird on the phone because the camera with the interface is just blinky in general, so there's no way to fix that. However, you have all these different functions, and on the other side we have our throttle, we have a little phone mount, we have a bell. All this screen gives you so much information, and it's a lot to take in, so like I recommended, just look through your user manual and memorize all these functions, the Bluetooth connectivity, the volume, to change the speed while you're riding. Just click the power button quick once, and it's 3 different modes, 1, 2, and sport mode. So really good to know there. Again, throttle on your right hand part of the screen here with the green button, and the little toggle above where my finger is to the left is a bell. Got your hand brakes and all sorts of fun stuff. So just keep that in mind as you're going through this, and just make sure you read the manual. Again, there's the throttle, and we're going to go over to the other side. We have our bell, our little ringer bell to let people know that you are coming by. And of course you have your handbrake, which these brakes are really nice on this scooter. Okay, now let's set up the helmet. Again, everything's in your user manual. Go ahead and turn your scooter on here, and you're gonna press the call button 3 times and then press the plus button. You have a little blinking helmet icon there. Go ahead and power on your helmet, and from there, it will power on. You will see the blinking light, the red light show up, and from there, the helmet will automatically connect and the light will turn a solid green. And the thing about this helmet is really cool is, look at these turn signals. Go ahead and pop that over there. On the left, turn signal on. Go ahead and turn right turn signal on, and perfect. This will illuminate you at night. People will see that you're coming. Your brake lights will be on. All sorts of fun stuff. This is all about that smart helmet technology that I just think is really amazing. The helmet is nice and snug on your head, very comfortable, and just a great overall feature. Okay, so it comes with a collapsible basket. Is one of the features and accessories you can get with the scooter. And to put this together, it's really easy. All you're going to do is just clasp all the parts together. And I'm going to fast forward through this really quick, and just you'll just see how it all goes on, how it looks. So here I am just connecting everything, and it's just four screws with a couple brackets, and this thing goes on nicely. It's a collapsible, so it is it's not collapsed in right now, but once everything is on, you can go ahead and keep it out for storing stuff, or you can break the bottom part out just like that, and you're good to go. Alright, so here is the blinkers that work, and you just see once the scooter's all set up, it looks really sweet. LEXGO really outdid themselves with this model. This is going up to 25 miles per hour. Now let's take this out for a test ride.